back to my channel, Second Fed. Hope everybody's doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, I'm all up in your face with my natural hair because I'm about to do a braiding tutorial, and judging by the title, I'm sure you already know that. So basically, we're doing a straight parting down in the middle, which I am not good at. I'm gonna tell you straight ahead, I'm not good at parting straight down in the middle. Somehow the kango always come on calbasi, like it always on the side, like something always bigger than the other. Like I just not good at shearing straight down in the middle. But I am gonna try to do that. My hair is in a stretched out position already. Like if you don't know about my natural hair routine, I did a video on that, and that's basically literally how I leave my hair. I always leave my hair plait. I never leave my hair exposed, like just there waiting to, I don't know what it's about. Like my hair is always in plait. So guys, first of all, because I'm doing two kango, and some people, they literally crochet the hair in the middle of the kango and then they just plait the kango in two. But for me, I think I'm gonna do feeding. Is this in the middle? Is this in the middle, guys? Like, is this the middle of my head? I honestly just don't, I cannot share in the middle of my head straight. Okay, so guys, I made my sister share the parts. I made my sister do the parts because, because of my back, I cannot be there doing all this sharing and all this stuff. Once I untangle my hair, because my hair is just gonna get really hard in two-twos. Once I untangle it, I'm just gonna get the braids ready. Now guys, basically I'm reusing braids. The braids I used the last time, I'm just reusing braids. What happened? You don't reuse your braids? Okay. I actually don't reuse braids very often, but because the last time I really did not leave it in for long, I'm like, no, I'm here for it. Okay, so guys, just go ahead and detangle your hair. It's very, no, I tell you, my hair is not dirty, but the products I'm using in my hair, they usually make my hair flick a lot. They grow my hair, but they make my hair flick a lot. So that's just the result of, you know, most natural products do that. Once this is done, I'm just gonna take the gel, a generous portion of gel, and just jam, and just like coat my natural hair, because this is a style that requires you to like get your hair ready, and that requires you to like jam down a significant portion of your hair. guys. Okay, so guys, that's basically it. I'm done with these 2 cornrows. I just wanted something quick that would have lasted me probably for a week. I know in using used braids, it's gonna have a lot of tangling and a lot of knotting, and that's just what I do not like, because then it's very difficult for me to grip so much hair and the hair is still tangling on it, you know. So it's like my grip becomes much looser than I want it to actually be. But like, I still think it came out fire. I think it's bomb. I think it's gonna last me for the week just as how I wanted it to. I think it's pretty. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this style. I'm really feeling this style. I think it's very nice. Here am I talking to you with one earring because the other one was pissing me off. Let me put this on. Yes. So guys, comment down below and let me know what you think about this style. I think it's fire. I think it's pretty. I think it's pretty. Tell me what you think, guys. Tell me what you think about this style. If you're gonna give it a try. It's actually very difficult to plait so much hair, but I think I managed okay. It's just that I would have preferred if I did not use braids to do the style. Probably something else, but not this style. You know, this style's already difficult enough in itself. So if you're gonna do this, like hunty, you need to make sure you have new braids, because it's gonna tangle up and just gonna be a bunch of frustration. But yeah, I still think it went well. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously this ends need to go in hot water, but it's just too, I mean, you already know what it looks like. It's just gonna fall nicely. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this style. Like, share this video, guys. Thank you guys so much. Catch you in the next one.